Hello guys, my name is Oscar and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I've got a quick little Premiere Pro tip. I'm going to be teaching you how to create transparent video. What do you mean by transparent video? I hear you say, yeah, transparent video like a PNG. So this is the PNG equivalent for video. You know, with the PNG, you can drag a graphic over another graphic and then it retains its transparency for you to see the image which is underneath. We're going to be doing that same exact thing but for video. This is useful for elements when you have graphic elements which you use on a regular basis but you just want to have them on standby so you don't have to keep exporting or keep opening new projects just for a simple little graphic element. This will help you a whole lot, so let's dive in quickly. So to begin, I've got right here my animation sequence. This is the graphic element which I'd like to retain the transparency in a video file. I've got that. So to get this effect done, I'm going to bring up the export dialog by clicking Command M. And once I have Command M, make sure your format is in QuickTime, like selected here. Then scroll down to video codec. On the video codec, make sure you've got animation selected. And once you've got that selected, scroll down a little bit more. Select 8-bit PC plus alpha. That enables the transparency. Make sure that is selected. Then make sure your other settings which you use for your export is selected. I normally click render at maximum depth, render maximum quality and use previews, and then I'll click export. I've already exported it, so I'm going to cancel at this point and go into a new sequence, and so I can show you how this works. So I've got a drone footage here, as you can see, and I'm going to drag my exported clip to see if transparency works, and here it is. I drag it into this, and can you see this? I didn't need to use the blending mode to remove the black or to show the transparency. It's straight off the bat, it actually works. And if you wanted to be sure that this is actually a transparent video and I'm not just tricking you, I'll turn off the layer underneath and you can see that this is just black. Normally you would have to go into blending modes and select screen to hide this black, but just by turning this on, you can see that the transparency is retained, and that is how it is done. It's as simple as that. And that brings us to the conclusion of this quick Premiere Pro tutorial. I'm going to be dropping more videos like this. If this was useful, leave a like, leave a comment, and share this video with your friends. And I'll be dropping more tutorials like this on a weekly basis. I hope to see you, and until next week, stay safe.